Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I will show you how to make your own DIY adapter for your camera and then mount it to your tripod. Now I don't know if it is suitable this project for you, but in my case it is working great for horizontal shooting, vertical or on a 9:16 aspect ratio. I have already cut the dimensions for the wood using leftovers wood, 60 cm the length, 5.5 centimeter. This is about 13 centimeter. So I need 6 woods, cut it on a 20 degrees angle. And why is that? Because I need this adapter from my tripod just to slide between these two woods, and it will hold my adapter because was cut it on 20 degrees. And then with a camera, I will just slide the adapter and remove the camera. I think that is working perfect for me. That is the whole idea. Now I need to sand all the woods and then paint them. Well, let's start. So much sanding, but I think the results are very good. Next step is assembly and final painting. I have glued all the pieces together. In some points I have added nails to hold the woods together until the glue is dry. Here is the final step. I have glued it all together before painting. I have added the vertical shooting method. Maybe in some points needs more sanding to get the surface smoother. And here painted black is the final result. I think it's looking great, it's very durable. After 24 hours waiting the glue to cure. And I can attach my camera on a horizontal shooting. And of course I can adjust up and down from the tripod. Removing is very easy, just press, removes. Or on a vertical shooting, or for a 9:16 aspect ratio. And again I can adjust that up and down. Maximum adjustment, it is from 0 to 180 degrees. It depends the tripod. For me, definitely it fits perfect. I can work perfect with this method. And it only cost, I don't know, only €5 to make that. The only thing that I buy, it was the spray paint. It cost about €3. Choose your favorite color and paint this adapter. It is amazing. You can take a video on horizontal, vertical or 9:16 aspect ratio. It is very cheap method to adjust the angle of your camera. I like it. If you want to do something like that, you can follow my steps. It is a low-cost camera mount extension. That was all about my viewers. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.